Good morning, boys and girls. Let's get up and start to move our bodies so we can wake up our bodies, get nice and strong, wake up our minds, get nice and smart. We're going to start with our marching song. Make sure your arms go back and forth and you lift those knees up high. It's time to start the day. It's time to start the day. It's time to give a great big cheer. And then we're on our way. Hooray! It's time to start the day. It's time to start the day. It's time to give a great big cheer. And then we're on our way. Hooray! Now check your clothes. See what colors you're wearing today. We're going to do our color song. If you're wearing red today, red today, red today. If you're wearing red today, stand up and shout hooray. Are you wearing red? How about this one? If you're wearing black today, black today, black today. If you're wearing black today, stand up and shout hooray. Hooray! I have black on my shirt and on my pants. One more. If you're wearing orange today, orange today, orange today. If you're wearing orange today, stand up and shout hooray. Great job, guys. Go get moms and dads. We're going to do our hands up song. Up, down, down, in, up, down, down, in, up, down, down, up, down. Ready to go? Hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me. Stretch up, do all your love. Back down, march it.
I love your smile, love your ways. I like your style. What can I do to get closer to you?
Now we're gonna step
Don't think
to the side,
I'll count to 10.
to the other side.
Don't ask me.
Now we're gonna fly.
On my way, simply kiss me and say,
Hands up, baby, hands up.
give me your heart, give me your heart, give me.
Hands up, baby, hands up.
Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me.
And stretch. Go high. Now march it out.
With your head up in the sky, every day you're walking by.
Good job, guys.
The stars looking at me.
Now we're gonna step.
Stop that game, don't waste your time. For all your
Good job. We're gonna fly.
dreams and mine. No use to play hide and seek far away.
Hands up, baby, hands up.
Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me.
Hands up, baby, hands up.
Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me.
Stretch up high.
All your love.
March it out. Now we're going to space.
Let me be your
Good
Romeo,
job.
wonder boy, and your super
Ooh,
champ.
I see all the stars.
Let me take you to the Milky
I see
Way
the moon.
on a holiday.
Now we're gonna stop, right?
Follow me, why don't you follow me? Why don't you follow me?
Now fly.
Come my way, simply kiss me and say,
Ready? Hands up, baby, hands up.
give me your heart, your heart, give me.
Hands up, baby, hands up.
Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me.
Hands up, baby, hands up.
Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me.
Again. Hands up, baby, hands up.
Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me.
Good job, guys.
Hands up.
I like 'em moving, moving. party hard just like it's Mardi Gras, cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard. And not because we bored, we party cause we born apart. That's why, keep on, yes, that's why, keep on, yes, that's why, keep on doing what I'm doing, y'all. I like the moving, I like the moving, I like the moving, we like the moving. I like the moving, she like the moving, he like the moving, we like the moving. I like the body, he like the body, they like the body, we like the body. She like to shake it, she like to shake it, he like to shake it, yeah. Somebody say yeah, say yeah. Back it up, 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 back it up. Give me room, cuz. We like the party, we like the party, we like the party, we like the, we like to move it, he like to move it, they like to move it.
Hi guys! I hope you had a great day yesterday. So awesome to see our old friends and new friends on Zoom. You did such a good job. We had so many winners. It's always a lot of fun to get together, and sometimes just playing a game is a great way to have fun and learn, right? Well, let's see what today's day is, guys. Let's see, Pete's got our number today. Our friendly Pete the cat. He's got a number. Do you know what number this is? Let's break it down. We cover our second number. We see the first number is a 2. Can you show me 2 fingers? 1, 2. Oh, we cover the first number. We have, what number is our second number? 1, just 1. Like our one little finger. So if we put them together, do you know what number that makes? I think that's a good idea, Pete. He says let's count up to it. All right. I need your help, guys, to count with me, okay? I'm going to start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, thank you, Pete. He's putting up our 21. 21 has a 2 and a 1. So if you're doing your calendar with me right now, it's going to go around, down, and ninja slice to the right. Around, down, and ninja slice to the right. I love our number 2s. And our 1 is easy. Just goes from top to bottom. So you can write your 21 in right now. So now, if we take our finger and we slide it up. Ooh, it's one of our T days. We have 2 days of the week. 1, 2. Let's start with the letter T. Let's think. If yesterday was our Zoom day of Wednesday, and tomorrow is our last day of the school week, Friday, what is today? Let's sing our song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Repeat after me, guys. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Make sure that you say each day nice and slow. So what day did we stop at? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Good job. It is Thursday, the 21st of what month? Do you remember? Want to sing our song so we can sing it and remember it? Make sure you say all the words nice and clear so you really can hear them, okay? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Now let's do it slow so we can really hear. January, February, March, April, May. May! April showers bring May flowers. So it is May. M-A-Y. May. So it is Thursday, May 21st. Really good job, guys. You're doing super. All right, let's take a look at our weather chart. Ooh, we had some nice weather yesterday. And if you watch Miss Donna's weather report, you can see what day she filled in. Do you remember? Yeah, it was a sunny day, guys. Oh my goodness, we are almost at the top. So let's color that in. Remember, you're going to trace an outline first. And then you're going to color it in. The outlining helps us keep it neat. And then you know what, it's easy to figure out, where do I color now? You just color in the outline. So look, our goal, guys, is to see which one of these types of weathers, okay, we'll get up to number 10 first. Getting pretty close. Let's count how many sunny days we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness, it's so high. How many more spaces, honey? Which one? How many more till we get to 10? One more box, right? Because 9 plus 1 is 10. We had 9 boxes and we need one more to get to 10. Wow. But anything can happen, right, guys? It could be some crazy weather. It could start snowing again. It could be cloudy. Anything can happen. All right. Is everybody loving our frogs this week? I saw some of you singing your song and it's so cool. Remember, you have your own frogs with their own little ponds that you can sing our song. But if you don't remember just yet, I'm going to sing it another time for you today. And then the next day I'll do my dance again. See whatever way works for you. So remember, we have our 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speckled frogs. Are you ready? 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. 1, 2, 3. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool. He took his friend with him. No! Where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. 1, 2. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Ribbit, ribbit. 1 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. I hope you enjoy singing about our frogs. It's not only a lot of fun, but it helps you musically to find the rhythm, and it also helps you with our numbers, right? Adding, which is so good because today we are going to add. Yay! So get ready for my impromptu whiteboard. Woohoo! So cool. So this whole week we've been learning about frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. We've been learning about how they first start out as eggs, right? That are in the water. Then they turn into our little fish-like friends, our tadpoles. They have a tail. But they start to get legs and they turn into little froglets. So they have legs and still a little tail. But eventually that tail goes bye-bye and it turns into a frog. Those tails are pretty cool, guys. Remember, that's where it gets its food from for quite a while. So, since we're all on the theme of frogs, we're going to do adding frogs today. Woohoo! Who doesn't want to add frogs? So your classwork today is frog addition. And don't worry about all the fancy names. I want you to see how many frogs are all together. So easy. We've done this with Pete the Cat's shoes. We've done this with our little bears at school. We've done this in so many different ways. It's the same thing. So here we just have it on the paper as opposed to having it in our hands, which would be super awesome. So it says, to complete the addition problem, don't worry about all that. Just how many are all together. So we have two little froggies hanging out together, but one friend wants to join him. I want you to tell me how many frogs are all together. Let's count them. 1, 2, and then don't start by counting 1 again. We're just going to keep adding. 1, 2, 3. 3 froggies are hanging out, eating some flies, having a good time. So what you're going to do is just write in your number. If you really get excited about this, you can even draw 3 frogs and the number. Remember, Miss Grant is not too much of an artist, but if you want to do it, show me some pictures because maybe you can teach me how to draw a frog. So you're going to write the number 3. 1, 2, 3 frogs. And you can draw the frogs on the side. Now let's say, one friend is sitting all by himself eating his frog food, like the flies, like our frog from our Frog and Toad story. Maybe he's alone and he needs a friend. So 1, 2, 3 friend frogs, come and join him. Let's see how many are all together. I'm going to start by counting 1. And you're going to go to the next number 2. You don't go back to number 1, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 froggy friends hang out and have some flies. So you're going to write the number 4. If you have trouble writing your numbers, somebody that is helping you learn can do the little dots so you can trace. Okay? But my friend's going into kindergarten. You got to practice those numbers, right? All right, so I have a lonely frog over here that needs a best friend. And another friend comes along. They want to read a book, have some yummy frog snacks, hang out by the water. So let's see how many we have together. 1, 2. Good job. We see 1 frog plus another frog is 2. When you see that little sign, it says a plus sign. That just means if you put it all together, guys. So if you see that little sign for each one of our little adding frogs, that's a plus sign. It just means that we're going to put them together. Okay? All right, so let's go down here. We got twin frogs. 1, 2. 2 frogs. That's another set of twin frogs. They want to hang out. 1, 2. 2 frogs plus another 2 frogs give you what? 1, 2, keep going, 3, 4. So 2 frogs plus another 2 frogs give you 4. So we put all of those together in something called frog addition. And that just means that if we put them together, we'll see how much they have in all. Okay? So even if we don't have frogs with us now, you can play with your Legos And see, what if I have one Lego and I put 3 more together? How many will that be? You can practice this with anything. If you have books, stuffed animals, Legos, whatever it may be, try to practice this addition game and see if you can do it. Okay, and don't forget, we're practicing writing our numbers as well. Great job today, guys.
ABC Kids! From the eggs in the little pond, tadpoles are hatching. Tadpoles are hatching. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tadpoles swimming in the water. 10 tadpoles swimming in the water. Here it comes the water skipper. Let us run away. Let us hide behind the mossy branch. Now the water skipper is gone. Come out from behind the branch. Now the water skipper is gone. Come out from behind the branch. From the eggs in the little pond, tadpoles are hatching. Tadpoles are hatching. Let's keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 tadpoles swimming in the water. 20 tadpoles swimming in the water. Here it comes the diving beetle. Let us run away. Let us hide behind the red flower. Now the diving beetle is gone. Come out from behind the flower. Now the diving beetle is gone. Come out from behind the flower.
All right, today's story is Wide Mouth Frogs, a pop-up book by Keith Faulkner and illustrated by Jonathan Lambert. Look at our big frog, guys. So cool. Look at him. He's sliding down on the water in his lily pad. That's where a lot of frogs like to hang out. Wait till you see this book. It's so cool. Oh, I am a wide-mouthed frog, and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog, shooting out his long, sticky tongue. Do you see his little fly friend down there? As he hopped along, he met a blue feathered bird. I am a wide-mouthed frog, and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, bird? I eat wiggly worms and slugs, replied the bird, snapping his pointy beak. Next, the wide-mouthed frog met a furry brown mouse. I am a wide-mouthed frog and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, mouse? I eat crunchy seeds and juicy berries, replied the mouse, wiggling her whiskers. Whoa, get ready, guys. The wide-mouthed frog was still catching flies when he saw a big green alligator. Whoa! I am a wide-mouthed frog and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, alligator? I eat delicious wide-mouthed frogs, replied the alligator, showing his sharp white teeth. Oh no, guys, he eats wide-mouthed frogs. The wide-mouthed frog stopped catching flies and gulped. Then he puckered his lips and made his mouth as small as possible. Ooh, you don't see any of them around, do you? He said. And he leapt into the pond with a... What do you think he did? Did he try to run away? With a splash! He was not about to get eaten up by that crocodile. The end.